Before we meet, I want to make sure you're prepared so we can use our time well. One of the best ways to do that is by pulling your IRS transcripts. This is going to show you full filing history, balances, notices, any issues that may be going on behind the scenes, even the ones that you might not know about yet. To access your transcripts, you're going to want to have handy a valid photo ID, such as your driver's license or your passport, your social security number, uh, maybe access to the phone number that could be tied to your tax record. So you may need that, and possibly maybe even a recent tax return just in case the IRS may need it as you're setting up your ID. So what you're going to want to do is head over to irs.gov. You're going to go to individuals, and then you're going to look for get transcript. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come down here to get your transcripts. And if you don't already have an account, you're going to want to sign in to your online account. Now, before you can sign into your online account, you're going to have to create an ID. So if you don't already have an account, you're going to want to create an ID.me account and provide that information that I just mentioned previously. Then, once you get into the system, you're going to want to download three things. You're going to want your account transcript, your wage and income transcript, and your return transcript. Once you have these three documents, these three transcripts, then once we're able to get on the call, I can go through those either before or during our call, so that way it'll give me a chance to spot any issues that you may have going on, such as anything that's misfilings, any balances that look off, or anything that could be a red flag, just so we can have a very clear picture of what is going on with your particular situation. And it's going to save us time, and it's also going to help me be able to give you a real solution faster. Now, if you get stuck, don't worry about it. Just let me know. But getting this done before our call will help me to serve you better and avoid delays. So I can't wait to talk to you soon.